My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Nissan Leaf. This vehicle has done just over 18,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can access key features such as audio, smartphone integration, information, map, navigation and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.